Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're brand new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. My name is Crystal and I'm a full-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, ThreadUp, and The RealReal. And all that means is that I sell people's trash on the internet and that's how I pay my bills. Today is going to be a thrift haul. I'm just going to show you guys everything that I got at the Goodwill outlets. And there's a couple things that I picked up. One was at a yard sale, one was given to me. So I've got like a plethora of things here that I'm going to show you guys. And I'm going to photograph a lot of it today, so I'm going to be hanging it on my clothes hanger. So I figured while I'm taking it out of the bag, might as well show you. So you guys have kind of blown up my thrift haul videos on my channel. Those are the ones that get the most attention, so I assume that you like them. And I am of the mindset that if your audience is telling you what they want, give that to them. So here we are with another thrift haul. And we're going to get right into it because we got a lot of stuff to do today. So we're going to start right away with, let's see, this black dress. It's Eileen Fisher, size small petite. I found this in a bin with, it had pants, but I don't know if they went with them. The pants were new with tags though, but I'm sending the pants to ThreadUp because I don't do well with just like plain black pants no matter what the brand is. So, but they will do good on ThreadUp because ThreadUp likes Eileen Fisher, so just a little food for thought. Okay, this next thing is flawed. And if you follow me on Instagram, you saw when I picked it up. This is a Patagonia. It's a nice teal color sweater. It's a women's large. Let me see if you can see the flaws though on the screen. So I did do some spot treatment and I got some of it out, but like there's a spot there. They're not as like bold anymore since I treated them, but like there's another spot there. And then there's another one there. They're just little, but the cuffs are also a spot there. The other cuff is probably the worst. Like this whole arm, see there's a spot there. And the cuff, yep, there you go. So I might try and spot treat this one more time and throw it through the wash and see if I can get some of that out. But honestly, like I'm probably just going to list it on an auction and sell it as is because it's kind of, I'm kind of over it at this point. Like I try to get the stains out and they did come out. Like they look a lot better, but they're not completely out. So I don't know, maybe one more round and then we'll call it a day. So that I found at a yard sale though. I think I paid, I don't know, something small for it. I keep forgetting I don't want to share my cost of goods, so then I like go to tell you and I'm like, wait, you're not doing that. This is for me. If it fits me, it has no size in it, but it's cute. Just like a floral dress. I think this one also might be for me. Somebody donated all of their like plus size stuff and I'm gonna try it on. If not, it'll sell because it's torrid. So this is blue, like a, not a bell sleeve, but they got a slits down the side. And this is also a dress. I'm trying to get more into dresses because they make you look like you're more put together than you are and they're not as much effort. So win-win, right? This I actually picked up for my mom. How cute is that? Her sister, my aunt, calls her Snappy Grinch, and I thought that was cute. So I'm gonna give that to her. I don't know, do you guys care about what I picked up for myself? Okay, these I also picked up at a regular Goodwill. I'm gonna take the price tag out. I paid up for these, but if you watched my what sold video, you'll know that it was worth it to pay up, I think. These are a pair of Allbirds. They're teal sneaker. And what I was saying in my video, my what sold video, the last pair that sold, inside the tongue right here, see this? Can you see it, the light? Yep, there it is. TS. And that stands for Tree Skipper. And all I did was, I've already looked up comps on these before I bought them because I did pay up for them. So I'm very conscious about what I'm spending and what I'm going to make off of something. So the comps on these are good. But I looked it up on Google. I just put in Allbirds TS and it came up Tree Skippers. And that's the name of them. So it was easy to look up the comps after I had the name of them. So that was cool. All right, this is from the bins now. This trip wasn't great, honestly, but this is a staple for me. If you've watched for any length of time, you will know Danskos are a staple for me. Black, these are shiny like patent leather. They do have a little bit of wear right here, but nothing major. Like the outsides are good. This is usually where I see wear, but there's nothing on here. Not anything in here. So these are overall in good condition. There is a little creasing in the toe area right here, but overall good. These are size 40, which is a good size as well. And there's a little right here too. Danskos are a staple in my closet. I always sell them between $30 and $40. I've been getting really into belts. I sold one for $15. Damn. And I always like miss at the bins that there's like a damaged part. Damn it. This is Fossil. They are known for their like bags, their leather bags. This is a leather belt. Just like braided. Nothing really fancy, but it was Fossil. But I just noticed as I took it out of the bag that it's like, so I might list that on an auction. Because I don't know that I'd feel right about selling it like that. Maybe I'll put it on Poshmark too and just put that on there. See, like the other side also has this. Darn it. I thought I like gave it a good look over, but apparently I did not. So, oh well. Next. This is a book for me. I'm into reading. I got a lot of stuff for myself apparently this trip. What is this? Oh, okay. I don't know if these are good or not. I couldn't really find too many comps. I could have sworn I saw somebody post on Instagram that this is a good brand, but I couldn't find any comps, so I don't know. This is a skirt, like a tennis skirt, but it's got shorts underneath. And it's like this very vibrant orange. And it is by Head Athletics. So I don't know. I was thinking like $30 on this, but I haven't been able to find too many comps. So we'll see what that actually looks like, but got it at the bin. So I figured I'd give it a try. It's something that I haven't heard of before, or like I think I have heard of, but I've never sold before. So this, I just had to get these because they were new with tags, honestly. This is Old Navy. It's not even the season anymore, but the tag is still attached. Very pretty floral shorts. They've done the measurements for me. They're 5 inches. It's called the Everyday Short, size 8. So I think this will do good on Macari. Old Navy does pretty good for me on Macari. The price tag on these I think is $30 or 20 something. Let me see. 25. So I might be able to get 15 out of them on Macari. This, the tag is like falling off, but it's still attached for right now. So this is Joie, however you say it, Joie, size small. This is 100% silk, pink, pop over blouse, 3/4 sleeves, cute. Joie kind of sits for me a little bit, but it always eventually sells for decent money. And this is 100% silk, so I mean, how do you leave a silk blouse at the bins, you know? So it is wrinkly. Let's see if I actually think I have it. I use this Downy wrinkle resistant releaser. And it's odor eliminator, fabric refresher, static remover, ironing aid. Honestly, like, I'll spray this on this. Like, I'll show you since I'm going to do it right now. I'll just spray it all over it. Hang it, and the wrinkles kind of come out on their own. So I have to do very minimal ironing. So ironing or steaming or whatever you decide to do to, like, pull out the wrinkles, like, that stuff pretty much takes care of it. So next, this is a Spell Out Adidas black hoodie. It's got the, like, circle, like, oval shaped, like, hood. Size extra large. Great size. We're going into fall. I live in hoodies. I know that people are more fashionable than me, so they wear, like, cute fall things, but honestly, like, I'm not fashionable at all, and this would totally be my style, so. No visible flaws or anything, so that's great. My room smells great now from spraying that stuff. Okay. This is a girls large purple North Face fleece zip up. It's not as, like, pinky as it's showing up in the camera. It's definitely more, let's see if I get closer, if it comes, like, more true to color. No, it's still a little pinky in the camera, so it's definitely more purple than it's showing up on camera. Size large. There's no holes or stains or anything that I see. So I do sometimes find things when I'm photographing and listing, but I am under my ring light and I don't see anything, so that's a good sign. Next, another bread and butter for me. I know that people don't sell this brand, but I do. This is pink, Victoria's Secret. Look at the bling. It's like shimmery sequins hoodie. No, it's not a hoodie, but it does have, like, a hoodie pocket. You can see that. So, size medium, cotton and polyester. This is from 2015. There's a tag in here that says, like, when it was made. So who knows how good it's gonna do, but the sequins pink stuff usually sells pretty quickly for me. Honestly, the last one I think I sold on Macari, and it sold pretty quickly, so I'll continue to pick it up as long as it continues to keep selling. All right, that's it from the bins. I'm gonna show you one thing that I got as a donation, and then we're gonna open up a box that I ordered, like, online retail arbitrage. Okay, these are Nike pink suede. There's a name for them and I forgot what it is. I will put it on the screen. The only thing that's kind of wrong with these is there's some jean transfer, the blue right here and right here. That's not a huge deal though. The comps on these look pretty good, about $30, $35. So, and other than that, they're in great condition. It's just got a little bit of the transfer, and these are a size 9. So the soles look good though. Back up. So that was a donation. I'm happy with that. All right, now bear with me as I open this box. This is the box of online retail arbitrage. They've been sending it. I get it from, like, I have, like, a rotation of stores near me that I search for, but this particular store always sends my stuff in a shoe dazzle box, which I think is hilarious. I feel like they would save money if they sent it in, like, a flat rate, but what do I know? They charge me a flat rate for shipping, so I guess it doesn't really matter to me how they ship it as long as it gets here in one piece. And they do a pretty good job of taking everything out, so. Okay, here we go. Let me show you first peek into the box. They jam-packed this box. I'm excited. These are all things I, like, hand-picked out from the consignment store. We're just gonna dive right in. So fall is coming up. This is Torrid, size 1, which is a 1X. This is like a shimmery, there's, like, gold flecks in it. long sleeve plaid shirt. It's got a pocket, it's V-neck, buttons all the way down, and it does have a, what's the word? Like an elastic waist. I don't know. You see that? Yeah. So that's cute. Thrift is one of my bread and butter brands as well. Anytime I see it, I'll pick it up. It doesn't do as good as it used to do for me. Like I used to be able to sell Thrift for $30 all day long. Now, I'm lucky if I can get 20, 25 depending on the style. So, this is a Torrid size 2X. And it's brand new with tags. And the price tag on it was $50. So, that's insane to me. I would never pay that much money for clothes, but people do it. So, it's very pretty. But it's more springy, I guess. But it is long sleeves. Long sleeve. Like a baby doll material here. And then flowy. So, I'll put the stock picture up so you can see what it looks like. Because this is going to be hard to photograph, I feel like. But the good thing about sourcing online, honestly, is that you can look things up prior to buying them. So you already have the comps and you know whether or not it's going to be a good buy. And for things like Torrid that I put stock photos up on, I've already got the stock photo for that ready to go. So, okay. This is older tag. Lily Pulitzer. It is a puffer vest, blue like navy, but the inside in true Lily fashion. Look at this. This gives me like Vera Bradley vibes, honestly. I don't know, is it reversible? Like, could you wear it? No, because the zipper's only on one side, so. But it is a size small. It has feathers, but it doesn't say what kind of, oh. It's 68% down and 18% waterfowl feathers. How interesting. Yeah, Lily does good for me though. This is an older tag, but I have a thing for puffer vests. I don't actually know if they're in style or not, but I love them. So I always pick up a good puffer vest. Waterfowl feathers, how interesting. Okay, and then this is the reason that I started to begin with. I've sold a pair of these before, and they sold very well, and they were like a green color, so the black I'm sure will do better. This is a pair of Nike wedged. They're called Sky High, and they're like women's shoes. There's a hidden wedge inside here. These are size 7, which is a good size. They're in good condition. I obviously paid up for most of this stuff. There is some like gunk here that I'm gonna have to get off, but that should come off. It looks like gum. So Google and we'll get that off. One of the things about buying from a buy sell trade store is they don't always show you every angle of what you're buying. So I didn't know that those had crap on them, but okay, these are Sperry topsider quilted. They're called saltwater, I think, saltwater boots. These are immaculate. Like the bottoms are clean. They got a little bit of wear right here, but overall these are in really, really good condition. I mean, look. It's like somebody didn't even wear these outside. These go for a lot of money. So there are people on Poshmark who have them listed for $99. I don't think that they're going to sell for that much, but these are size 9. So also a good size, bigger size. And those just were like a happy coincidence because basically what happened was I found these and I was excited about them. I was like, I'm going to buy those, but I wanted to get free shipping. So I was like, oh, I'm going to add a couple things to my cart. And that's how I ended up with these 5 things that I got retail arbitrage. So that is all I've got for today. So I'm gonna get this stuff photographed and listed and then take another trip to the bins and we'll have another thrift haul soon. Thanks for hanging out. If you like these videos, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button to let me know, and then we'll continue doing them. All right, guys, see you on the next one. Bye.